So it's a quick video on the SIP or SIP padlock. It's the 40mm version, easy to recognise because the lower keyway as opposed to normally in the centre. This will be a 5-pin. So been asked to do a set of bump keys for this. These are very common in Poland. This is the original key, so SIP key with really deep cut on number 1 there, high on number 2, and the rest are quite high anyway. So this would have been a copy. So you've got these on lock blanks. So I'll just show you working, and you can obviously hear it. It's fully pinned. Obviously it hasn't been tampered with. Now this type can't be shimmed because it's actually got the actual shackle locking mechanism is actually attached to the end of the plug. So what happens is as we put in the key, turn the actual plug, it turns the locking mechanism. So you can't shim these. Okay, so let's lock that into place. That's the key there. Really deep number 1. So had a couple of goes on this one. You've got to get it just right, and then it'll bump easy. If not, just persistent with it. So a number 2 key. This will be the middle size cut. I'm just going to do a quick dampener just in front of the shoulder, and as long as I've got that reset. And say this plug isn't sprung, so you've got sometimes to reset, and depending on how you're hitting it. So because it's not sprung, what we can't do is just let go, because the key's just going to stay in that position. Okay, so what we're probably best to do is to slight turning pressure and just keeping it on. And when I'm saying slight, I mean really you're just touching the key and a bit more on off sort of thing. Okay, and there it is. Now she bumped already, and because we've got the high pins in there, it's actually retained that bump key, but that would be it bumped open anyway. So it's the 40mm SIP Polish padlock. So apparently these are quite common in Poland. No branding, but just recognise the lower plug onto it. Okay, thanks, hope that helps.